people would say that the great moral challenge of the 21st century is to create a sustainable relationship between humankind and the planet. We would affirm that, but say that that's not adequate, and that the challenge is to create a sustainable relationship, sustainable Earth-human relations marked by social justice.
Primary focus is to support scholarship for faculty and students working together on projects, whether they're research projects that a faculty member's been doing for a long time, or maybe it's a new project that's going to engage the local community and help them with some of their issues with respect to sustainability.
Environmental issues are also very often matters of social justice, especially justice based upon race, class, nationality, gender.
If you're a student on campus and you're interested in doing research, or if you're interested in one of the academic programs that Seattle University offers related to the environment, you could definitely go check out the Center for Environmental Justice and Sustainability.